We will move our global launch to online, and I hope all of you stay safe and healthy. We bring the new generation of P series phone. And today, this year 2020, we bring you the new P40. P40 and the P40 Pro. And also today, we also bring you the P40 Pro Plus. The Huawei P40 bring you visionary design, timeless elegance. And this time is the first time we introduce the nanotech ceramic, 5 days of curing. This one is a ceramic surface. Bring you a seamless curvature of this back. The milled with custom cutting head. And also the surface is highly scratch resistant and durable. And you see the detail, we bring you exquisite, amazing premium detail. This phone bring you the quad curve overflow display. It's the first one and the first and only quad curve overflow display. Luxury streamlined culture. Bring you the borderless. This is the P30 Pro. Today, the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus, 6.58-inch flexible OLED display with a very high resolution, more than 440 ppi. The resolution is more than your eyes can identify. And you can support 90 Hz screen display ratio. And we give you really compact, ultra narrow bezel. You can see the left and right, the border is so small. And more lighter, more large battery inside, you can see. This ceramic surface, because of ceramic, P40 Pro using a ceramic back, ceramic density, material density higher. The new generation in-screen fingerprint, which will achieve the 30% up unlock speed. IP68 rated, water and dust resistant. New color. Ice white. We bring you an elegant deep sea blue, the classic black. Introducing the new technology. This is amazing silver frost. Another very unique color. Blush gold. So on P40, we have 5 colors for your selection. P40 triple like camera, P40 Pro quad camera, P40 Pro Plus penta, 345. The main camera lens is ultra vision wide angle 50 megapixel RYB sensor. Light aperture and large pixel, very large sensor. And also have 3 times optical telephoto. And also with ultra wide angle 16 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. The P40 Pro even more advanced, more higher. It's a really amazing camera. The camera monster. You know, we have dual optical tele lens. 3x optical telephoto for mid range, and a 10 times optical telephoto for long range. It's unbelievable, amazing. And all these 3 phones, we installed amazing large pixel, large sensor. This one is a 50 megapixel RYB sensor, definition photography. We upgrade the sensor on the P40 Pro to RYB sensor. On P40 Pro Plus, amazing dual optical zoom, 3 times optical zoom for mid-range, and 10 times long-range optical zoom. This is square one. dual optical room, amazing 10 times. This photo is taken in Dubai, so far away, so you can take 100 times the detail compared with other phones. You can see a small dot, very far away, 100 times. Our P40 Pro have better quality. This is a ferry view. We're taken from far away. Let's see, 5 times optical zoom, like this. And 100 times P40 Pro, the wide angle, we take a photo like this. With the 5 times optical zoom, we take a photo like this. With the 10 times hybrid zoom, you can feel this lady, her finger, the strength, the power, and her face. The Huawei P40 series phone also brings you strong and powerful AI photography. Today we're introducing a new AI capability, the Golden Snap. Front camera. Today, we also, with our powerful camera system, we also bring you visionary videography to the new level. The super sensing scene camera with 16-in-1 pixel fusion technology. And also bring you directional audio zoom. And with long distance tele video also capability. At 0.5 lux, really low light environment. We have dual view video capability. The Huawei P series smartphone also bring you the powerful performance. Inside this phone, with the most advanced flagship 5G flagship SoC, the Kirin990 5G. The CPU, the GPU, and the AI NPU, the performance dramatically improved. And the all-in-one 5G SoC is really the leading, the flagship 5G SoC is the leading in this industry. 5G lower power consumption. And also we have the leading dual SIM card capability. Today on P40 series, we're introducing the eSIM card. And we have the most powerful Wi-Fi 6 Plus experience. Super fast charging, 40-watt super fast charging. And the world's fastest 40-watt wireless supercharge on smartphone. 40-watt wireless supercharge. So the P40 Pro Plus 40-watt super fast wireless charging. P40 Pro also very fast 27-watt wireless charging. Today on Huawei the P40 series, we also bring you a visionary experience with the EMUI 10.1. More themes, new vibrant AOD. And also we bring you a convenient multi-window operation. Hey Siri is Huawei's AI assistant. And today we also bring you a multi-device control panel. Huawei Share, that we bring you more convenience between the devices, the Huawei devices.
Touch to share music, Wi-Fi, entertainment, and more.
So we launched Huawei's Huawei HMS, Huawei Mobile Service, as alternative solutions. So we want to continue to cooperate with Google to bring the best service to the global customer. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the product today we bring to you. And the price and availability for this product. And the Huawei P40 Pro, the price, €999. This is the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, The price is 1,399 euro. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your comment.